Hello, this is Michela Hørdum. In this video, I want to show you that when you're going to withdraw from your Right to the Future profile, you're going to set up your account, also your Bitcoin address. And first of all, you go to Profile View, and then you go under Payment Details, and here you tap in your Bitcoin address. Afterward, you shall go to transaction password here, and you can click, now I shall see, forgot transaction password, and then create a transaction password. And then it's very easy. When you go to your e-wallet, you go request withdraw, and here you can see my balance right now, and you enter the amount you want to withdraw, and always remember to take care of your monthly maintenance fee, that it shall be back on the account so it can be withdrawn automatic. And here you dial your transaction password and you click withdraw. This is how you withdraw, and you put in your Bitcoin address and how you make your transaction password. Bye bye.